What's happening, Kemi Moto? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we're doing another install, huh, bruh? Hell yeah. But today we got Gray in the house. So Gray was with us, man, on the Saddle Sore 1000 whenever we ran with crew. And so today what we're doing is we're installing a Kemi Moto passenger cup holder. So Kemi Moto, appreciate it. Want to send a big shout out to Kemi Moto, man. They help supporting the channel again. And we're gonna run this cup holder on his 2022
Road Glide Limited.
Road Glide Limited, man. Look at that thing. Absolutely gorgeous. So he's also got a Kemi Moto cup holder for already. That's just a clamp style there. So he's running that already. The main thing to know about this one, man, is that in order to run this cup holder on your bike, on the passenger trunk, or the trunk, right? Speaker pods. If you don't have speaker pods, it will not work. If you go to order this, make sure you have the speaker pods. You have to have them because that's how it bolts down to. So we're gonna go over everything, man. I'm gonna show you exactly what comes into the pack or comes in the pack, and then we'll get started. So we'll be back in just a minute. All right, Ken, folks. So let's go over everything that comes in the box, man. So you got your Kemi Moto box here. Of course, it comes with the cup holder, which is super massive. I mean, this thing will hold anything up to I think a 32 ounce even. You're gonna have your arm. It comes with some shrink wrap that we're gonna throw onto the arm and the bracket. Comes with the bracket, your bolts, your mounting hardware, and then also your Allen wrenches that you'll be able to use. So it comes with everything. The only thing that you will have to have bolt or a wrench for is to be able to loosen the bolts that are on the back of the speaker pod. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. We're gonna loosen. First thing we're gonna do is, he's got the trunk liner in here, right? So all we did is we're just gonna pull this back a little bit, just like that. You're gonna loosen this bolt up, which holds the speaker pod, and then we're gonna slide that arm and everything in between the speaker pod and the trunk, and then your cup holder is gonna stick out this way. So simple install, man. It's not gonna take long at all. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together. We're gonna run this to here, right? You got all your directions here as well. So that tells you exactly how to do it. But we're gonna go ahead and run these onto here. We'll shrink wrap it or put this heat shrink on there, and then we'll continue on. So bruh, you want to get after it or what? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna use this Allen wrench. So the Allen wrench is gonna go on there. Oh, that's all right. So we're gonna have side A and side B, right? So you got side A and side B. So what you're gonna want to do is you're going to run side A up, and then side B is gonna go down towards the bracket, just like that. And then your bolts are gonna go in from the bottom up. How long you had that other cup holder, Gray?
2 weeks, I think.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
It works good, huh?
So far, so good.
I
saw some reviews that mentioned this little nut here comes loose, so people Loctite it, but
right.
I haven't had an issue with it so far.
Cool.
The hour I rode to come see you today was the furthest I've gone so far with it. But this is not the 16-ounce Yetis, it's the next size up, and I mean it
fits perfect, huh?
My 16-ounce one, it's flush with the top.
Gotcha.
And it's got a little drawstring, so you can open this up a little bit if you want.
Yeah.
If you got something bigger, you got the net pocket that's divided two sides. So
that's cool, man.
It seems to work pretty good so far.
Yep, that's good. That's good. All right, so we got this here. Bracket side A is towards the top, so then your angle is gonna go down.
You ready?
All right, come folks. So we got that heat shrink onto there, right? So it covers all that stuff up, and then you're gonna loosen your bolt up back there and just slide that in between the speaker pod there. Gray said eventually he may end up putting some kind of felt tape back there just so it doesn't mar up his trunk, and then just tighten this joker back down. Then your cup holder is just gonna mount straight to here, man. There you go. Bam! So now, time for the cup holder. Slap that sumbitch on there. You just loosen that up till it's big enough to fit around the ball, right? Open her up. There you go. Now just lift this shit up. There you go. There you go.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. And then all you do is just tighten her down to your specifications, to however you like it. You can move that joker in, out, up, down. So just wherever, and then you just tighten her down. What are you thinking, Gray?
I think think that my kids and my wife will like it.
Hell yeah. You want to just move it in like that for now?
For now, and yeah, and then you take the island and wherever.
Yeah.
Yep. Throw it in here with the rest of the tools like
Sweet. Sweet. So what do you think, bro?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
That shit work good, huh?
Yeah, I wish I had speaker pods.
I know. Me too. Me too. So there you go. Look, we're going to put some cups in there, though. Let's try Gray's cup in there. Grab this one here. We'll drop that joker down in there. I mean, just easy, right? Still a lot of room in there. I'm going to go grab a bigger cup and drop that in there. Hang on one second. All right. So we got some different sizes here. So that one there, a little skinny tumbler. So that goes there. Then this is a big 30 ounce. I mean, that shit fits all up in there, man.
It doesn't go all the way to the bottom.
Not to the bottom, but it holds it tight, huh?
See, it fits that one. This one's got the drawstrings.
Oh, that thing go all the way down.
Yeah, it's all the way down there.
Yeah. Makes it a little tough, though, one-hander, though, huh?
Well, I mean, got cruise control. We got
There you
free
go.
hands.
Yep. So that'll drop in there, and then you got one other size here. It just drops right in, man. Hell yeah. It's pretty good, man. I like it.
I like it.
I like it. So there you go. Super simple, quick. Just remember, again, you got to have the speaker pods in order to run this cup holder here. So the link be down below, man. If you want to check it out, just click on it, take you straight to it, and then and that's it. So Gray, thank you for stopping by, letting us hook that up for you. And until next one, man, we'll go ahead and get on out of here. So till where you at, bro? Until next install or till next adventure, man. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.